Magic bus is full of mud, dusty wheels and messy crud. Tony says let's make it bright, clean it up with magic light. Shiny colors like a flood. Tony holds the glowing hose, magic water softly flows, brushes bubbles all around. Cleaning fun is what he found. Rainbow sparkle brightly glows. Splash, splash, magic fills the air. Water sparkles everywhere. Tony sprays with happy cheer. Dirty marks disappear. Rainbow glow beyond compare. Rainbow glow beyond compare. Magic bubbles big and white, foamy sparkles shining bright. Tony scrubs the rainbow side, colors glow with happy pride. Everything looks full of light. Magic wheels begin to shine, neon colors look divine. Tony cleans them with delight, making every corner bright. Now they sparkle every time. Magic windows clear and bright, rainbow sparkles dance in light. Tony wipes the shiny face, cleaning every glowing place. Crystal glass now shines just right. Splash, splash, magic fills the air. Water sparkles everywhere. Tony sprays with happy cheer. Dirty marks disappear. Rainbow glow beyond compare. Rainbow glow beyond compare. Soap and mud now float away. Magic colors want to play. Rainbow sparkles everywhere. Rainbow sparkles every smile. What a colorful delight. Soft cloth wipes